Hey guys, I'm over here at rental property. I want to give you some tips on how to rent properties. Which ones rent better, why they rent better, how to rent them. A lot of good stuff. So if you look on Zillow, a lot of the properties, you get a great rental. Zillow is only good for the rentals in my opinion, for comps, because there's not a lot on the MLS, but I do both. So when you're looking at the rentals, make sure you look at who rented it to. Was it a property manager, an owner, or a realtor? Realtors usually always get higher rents. Why? Because we know how to market. Now I deal with hundreds of these deals every year and understand that each individual property has its own unique situations, but the marketing needs to do that. So whenever this one here is in Rocky River, is $2,200 a month, it's going to take a special client for that. So we market to that client. We set up websites. We do social media. There's just a ton of stuff we do. We do open houses like I'm doing right now. But at the end of the day, is your realtor well-versed and has a resume of doing these type of properties? Because it's not easy. It's not convenient. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'd rather be home, but people get off at 5 o'clock, so they'll be over here to look at this property, and I get these rented as fast as I can. And when it does go empty, this one we bought 2 years ago, the first tenant just moved out, so we're getting it, they kept it in great condition. We just had to clean and poly the floors and put it back up for it. That was basically it. So it was good quality tenants because of the location. Location is everything. I stay in the A and B areas. I work very hard for my clients. Being an investment real estate agent is not easy. So please make sure you're dealing with someone who has a resume. Underneath I have a link where you can go and check some of the successes that we've had recently. Not 5 years ago, recently. I like to keep it recent. So give me a call. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. I'm a licensed real estate agent, 216-703-5740, or WhatsApp me at the same number. I've done over 1,000 plus properties. Like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to turn this camera off and get back to work. Thanks. Have a great day.